and they want to achieve peace in the world. So I love them because they believe in this noble cause, and I'm here. Oh no, I don't have a boyfriend. Yeah. Oh, and then in the fourth photo is my Taiwanese family. So as you can see here, so yeah, this is a nice market. Okay, so I have two little sisters. She is Eva, she has 9, and she's Michelle, she's 12, and that's my mom, Vivian. This is my Taiwanese family. I live with them. And what is amazing about my Taiwanese family is that they don't speak English. They only speak Chinese, and I don't speak Chinese. So to communicate, we use Google. We Google everything so we can communicate. And I love them so much because they didn't know me. They didn't know if I was crazy. They didn't know if I was a really strange kid. But even though they didn't know me, they give me their home so I can live with them. And with them, I realized that Taiwanese people is really nice. And Taiwanese people is amazing. That's why I love Taiwan. I love Taiwan because Taiwanese people is awesome. Okay? And I will tell you about my country. My country official name is Estados Unidos Mexicanos. It's a long name, right, for a country, but then we refer to my country as Mexico. In Spanish is Mexico. Okay? You see, in English is Mexico, and in Spanish, Mexico. Mexico. Yes. Mexico. Yes. Mexico in Chinese. Yes. Okay. The capital city is Mexico City. And something interesting about Mexico City is that entire country of Taiwan, all Taiwan can be fitted in my city. That means that all Taiwan here, let's see here, okay? Here's Taiwan, right? Here's Taiwan, and then Mexico City, let's see the map here because I'm so far away. So Taiwan is like this, right? And Mexico City is here, so all Taiwan can fit in only one city. So imagine how big Mexico is, that all your country can be in the middle of my country. And we have two main religions. We have Catholic and Christian, and our currency is peso, okay? We don't use dollars, we use peso. 1 peso is 2 Taiwanese dollars. And I will show you my money. This is my money. I will give it to you so you can see it. This is my money. This is the coins in my country. So you can see the money. It's a little bit different from Taiwanese money, and all the coins and all the bills have this eagle. You see the eagle? Yes. Yes? All the coins have the eagle. You will see the coins. Well, later. You will see the coins all have the eagle. The eagle represents how Mexico was founded. Okay? Our ancestors, you know what ancestors? Yes, our grandfather, our grandmother, yeah, you know? They believe that we have to create Mexico, where it was an eagle eating a snake. So if they see an eagle eating a snake, they will have to found Mexico there. So as you can see, you see Taiwan. Oh my God! Okay, thank you so much. Now you can see it. Okay, so you can see Taiwan is here and Mexico is all the way here. So to come here, I fly for 23 hours. So long, right? To come here, I fly 23 hours. A long flight, right? A long. But then I cross all the ocean to come here. That's nice, right? Okay, this is the map of my country. You can see it's a little bit like Taiwan because it's surrounded by water. We have the ocean here and we have the Gulf of Mexico here. Okay? So my country has 32 states. 32. Yes. And can be divided into 3 parts. Okay? 3 parts. The first part is the north of Mexico, is all the orange. The second part is the center of Mexico, is the green and the blue. And the third part is the red and the purple. So something interesting. I didn't tell you something. I was born here in Veracruz. Okay, you see Veracruz? Veracruz, you can imagine Veracruz as Jai. Yeah. Do you like Jai? Yes. Yeah. It's really good, right? It's good. Yes, good. So Jai is like Veracruz. It's a lot of sea, a lot of ocean, a lot of seafood, and it's really beautiful. I was born there, so I love Jai. Yes. And that's beautiful. Yes. And then I live here. I live in Mexico City. Okay, so in Mexico, we don't speak Chinese. We don't speak English. In Mexico, we speak Spanish. Okay? You know Spanish? Do you know some Spanish words? You know Spanish? What do you know in Spanish? No. Okay. You know hola, right? Hola. You know hola. Yes. So, adios. Yes. Oh, really good. Okay, in Taiwan, you have 16 tribes, right? Like Hakka and other natives, right? Yes. In Mexico, we have more than 60. You see? We have a lot. And each and every one of our natives have their own language. So, if they want to communicate, to talk to the rest of the country, they have to learn Spanish. So all the country speaks Spanish. Ni hao. Hola. Hola. Okay, that's how we say hello, ni hao. Okay, so when you go to Mexico, they will ask you, ¿cómo te llamas? Yes, ¿cómo? Yes, very good. Okay, so ¿cómo te llamas is what's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? And then you said my name is me llamo. Okay, so for example, ¿cómo te llamas? Very good, like that. So, ¿cómo te llamas? Yes, like that. So, when you listen to that question in Spanish, ¿cómo te llamas? You will answer, me llamo. What's your name? What's your name? Say your name. Say your name. Your name.
讲一次你自己的名字。
Say your name. Say your name.